conference. Level up your game. Real tools, real results. Build your name. Make your phone ring. Watch your profits grow. Take it back home. Run the show. Carpet, tile, ducts, and more. Learn the moves that open doors. Roger, Lloyd, and Coach Jenée show you how to win today. All Cleaners Conference, don't delay. $199, invest today. 4 hours live, real business flow. Take it back home, watch it grow.
Welcome back, cleaners. I am Coach Jenée, and I am here with my co-host and the man who built one of the most powerful communities in the cleaning industry, Roger D. Lloyd, admin of the carpet cleaning world. Roger, let's get into it.
Let's do it. We've been building up to this one. If you've been following along, we've talked about closing the job, pricing the job, and filling the pipeline with leads. But today we're talking about the real bottleneck in most cleaning businesses. And spoiler alert, it's you.
So true. And that's not shade. That's the truth. So let's jump right in. Roger, let me ask you first. When you were building your business, what was the moment you realized you couldn't keep doing it all yourself? Tell us.
Honestly, it was when I started turning down jobs. I had more calls coming in than I could handle alone. And I had to either grow or start saying no. And nobody who works this hard wants to say no to money. That was the wake-up call. You can't scale when it's only what you do.
That's it right there. And I hear this from so many service-based business owners, not just cleaners. Their business is growing, but you are the ceiling. So Roger, let's talk about the signs. What are the top signs that tell a cleaner it's time to hire? Tell us.
Number one, you're exhausted and still behind. If you're working 6 days a week and your schedule is still overflowing, that's your sign.
Okay.
Number two, you're turning down jobs or delaying quotes because you don't have time.
Right.
Number three, your quality is slipping because you're rushing. When the thing you built your reputation on starts to crack because you're stretched too thin. That's the business telling you something right there.
Most definitely. And let me add a fourth one from a coaching perspective. When your business stops growing because your calendar is maxed out, growth requires capacity. You can't pour from an empty truck. So the question becomes, how do you get over the fear of handing it off? Share that with us, Roger.
Okay. I think that fear is real. Every cleaner I've talked to says the same thing. Nobody can clean like I do. And they're probably right at first. But here's the thing. Nobody cleaned like you before you learned either. You trained yourself, you can train someone else. Who?
That is the word right there, Roger. You trained yourself, which means your standard is teachable. And that's the mindset shift we need cleaners to make today. It's not about finding someone who already cleans like you. It's about building systems that teach your standard. Roger?
Exactly. And that's where a lot of cleaners skip a step. They hire before they have a process written down.
Right.
Then when the new person doesn't do it right, they blame the new hire. But if you never documented your process, how could they know?
How would they know? How would they know? So let's talk about that. What should a cleaner have in place already before they bring somebody on?
At minimum, a checklist for every job type.
Oh, okay.
How you pre-treat, how
Hmm.
you set up equipment, how you walk through with the customer at the end. If you can't hand someone a piece of paper that describes your process, you're not ready to train anyone. Write it down first, even if it's rough. That checklist becomes your training manual. Coach,
Absolutely. And I want to speak to the heart side of this just for a second because systems matter. But mindset, I keep saying it, mindset is the foundation. A lot of cleaners have their identity wrapped in being the one who does it all. It feels like letting go of control. But I want you to hear this. Releasing control of the task is how you gain control of your business. You're not the technician, you're the owner. Step into that, right, Roger?
that's real. And I'll add, start small. You don't have to hire a full-time employee on day one.
Right.
Some cleaners start with a part-time helper. I did. Someone who does the heavy lifting while you run the equipment. That transition helps you build confidence in leading someone else before you go all in. How about it, Coach?
Well, that brings me to the next big question that people are asking: employees versus subcontractors. What is your take on that, Roger?
It depends on where you're at in your business.
Okay.
Subcontractors give you flexibility. You
Okay.
only pay when there's work. There's less paperwork up front for a
True.
new operation.
That's true.
That can make sense. But subcontractors are not your employees. You can't control how they work the same way. If your brand is built on specific standards, that gets complicated, coach.
It does. It does. And from a legal standpoint, there are real IRS guidelines about how you classify your workers. And guys, misclassifying can cost you. So, we always recommend that a cleaner consults with a business advisor or a CPA before you decide which route to take, okay? We're not attorneys and we're certainly not accountants. We're just telling you this is a conversation you need to have. Roger?
Right. And when you're ready to hire an employee, payroll, taxes, workman's comp,
Yes.
those things are manageable. Don't let the paperwork scare you out of growing.
Right.
There are services that handle all of these for small businesses. The systems exist. You just have to use them.
So let's talk about finding the right person. Roger, where do you go? Where do cleaners find good help?
Word of mouth is still number one. Tell
Okay.
people in your circle you're looking. Post in your community. Check with local trade schools or vocational programs.
Okay.
And don't sleep on Indeed or Facebook jobs. People are looking. But here's the thing. You're not just hiring a body, you're hiring someone who will be in your customers' homes.
Wow.
Character matters.
Say that louder, Roger.
Character matters. You can teach someone to clean. You cannot teach someone to be trustworthy, respectful, and reliable. Those are the non-negotiables when you're sending someone in to people's homes.
So so that's the standard. And when you find that person, you invest in them. You train them. You make them feel like they are part of something. People don't leave good jobs. They leave bad leadership. Be the leader your team deserves. Roger?
And protect yourself. background checks,
Mm,
references.
yes.
Start with the trial period. Have a clear job agreement in writing. These are not just formalities. They protect your business and they set a professional tone from day one. How about it, Coach?
Okay, okay. All right. So, Roger, let's zoom out a bit. Please paint the picture. What does a cleaning business look like when the owner has actually built a team and a system? When it's running without them in every truck? What's that look like?
It looks like freedom. The owner is
Freedom.
building
Okay.
jobs, building relationships, marketing the business. The truck goes out, the work gets done, and the revenue comes in without the owner being physically present for every job.
Okay.
That's the goal, not just the job that pays you, a
Mm,
business that works for you. How about it, Coach?
yes. And I want to be clear. This doesn't happen overnight, does it? But
Nope.
it starts with one decision. It starts with one hire. It starts with one system and one step. That's what this conference is all about. We're not here to give you theory. We're here to give you a blueprint. Right, Roger?
Which is exactly what we're bringing to the stage on November 11th in Houston, Texas, at the 4-hour All Cleaners Conference, live in person, hands on.
If you've been listening to this series, episodes 1 through 4, and you are serious about growing your cleaning business into something that lasts, you need to be in that room. We are talking live coaching. We're talking real strategies. We're talking a community of cleaners who are building just like you. Come on, Roger.
Early bird tickets are still available at $175 per person,
Okay.
but that ends August 20th. After that, prices go up to $199 per person. Don't wait on this one. You want to get your tickets now.
Lock in your seat now. Like he said, the link is in the show notes and on our social pages too. You can find us. And before we close out today, we did ask a real talk question. I'm going to ask it again. What is holding you back from hiring your first or your next employee? The answers you've shared so far were very honest. They were real. And they remind us exactly why this work matters. Come on, Roger.
Keep building, cleaners. One hire, one
Yes.
system,
Yes.
one step at a time.
Absolutely. And that's a wrap here on episode 4, y'all. We'll see you November 11th in Houston. God bless you. And we'll see you at the conference. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Houston, Texas. November night. All Cleaners Conference. Level up your game. Real tools, real results. Build your name. Make your phone ring. Watch your profits grow. Take it back home. Run the show. Carpet, tile, ducts, and more. Learn the moves that open doors. Roger, Lloyd, and Coach Jenée show you how to win today. All Cleaners Conference, don't delay. $199, invest today. 4 hours live, real business flow. Take it back home, watch it grow. November 11, be there, don't miss. Your business upgrade starts like